Welcome back to Squawk Box. The FTC reportedly nearing a decision on Microsoft's acquisition of gaming giant Activision Blizzard. Joining us right now is Aaron Glick, Cowen Deals analyst. Okay, what's your handicap here, sir?
Well, I'll tell you, the market is currently pricing about 35 to 40% implied odds of this deal closing. That's assuming a $60, $65 break price. My best guess is that the FTC is going to sue to block, although I would say several investors are holding out hope, just based on the strength and the power and influence that Microsoft still has in Washington.
Okay, so there's two pieces to this. There's one piece, which is, does the FTC seek to block it? And then the secondary question is, if in fact the FTC seeks to block it, do they go to court or do they walk away?
Yeah, and I think based on reporting, it seems that Microsoft is willing to fight this. We saw the op-ed from Brad Smith in the Wall Street Journal. He doesn't look like somebody who's going to walk away if the FTC sues to block. The key piece here is what happens to the regulatory reviews in the UK and in Europe. So those are outstanding, and decisions aren't expected there until the end of the first quarter, maybe early second quarter. And we could talk about that a little more, but I think consensus right now. Yeah, go ahead, Andrew.
Well, I was going to say, Aaron, let's talk about, though, the calendar, because there are some deadlines built into this contract, effectively, that make this whole thing get a little dicey depending on what happens and how quickly things either happen or don't happen.
Yeah, the calendar is interesting. So FTC decision is expected imminently. I mean, there's a closed-door meeting at the FTC, which is typically the type of meeting that where the commissioners would vote to block a deal. That's scheduled for today. So we could see a block as early as today, or a lawsuit to block the deal as early as today. Then it depends on which route the FTC goes with that lawsuit. I think most expect the FTC to send the case to their internal court system, which is known as their administrative law judge, or ALJ. That's instead of sending it to the federal district court. And generally, or historically, I should say, the FTC is seen as having a greater chance of winning in its internal court system than it does at winning in the federal court system. That has changed a little bit under this administration. Former FTC officials who are now judges with the ALJ may not agree with Lina Khan's philosophies.
But what is the final drop dead? It's this spring, summer.
Yeah, it's July 2023, and so the ALJ is a longer process than the federal court system, and the ALJ can last 6 to 8 months, and so that would push us up right against that outside date if it does take that long. There's some nuances here, but the key is the FTC normally can't send things to the ALJ without getting a preliminary injunction. But because Europe and the UK are still outstanding, they can send it to the ALJ without seeking a preliminary injunction because the parties can't close until the UK and then the EC finish their reviews.